Hey friends, today is March 17. I did my checkout. It's 11:35. I'm going to get some food. I don't know, my flight is only at 5 and there is online check-in, so I don't need to go to the counter. So yeah, I don't know, I'll just chill. Yeah, it's not that hot here like in Gale or like it was in Nakambo. The same time of the day, like Nakambo was, wow, it was something. It was like last year August or September in Delhi. I was like sweating, like so weird. But now it's like more dry and it's a little bit windy, so the heat is different in Chennai. I like that here in India it's so big and there's not that many tourists everywhere, so nobody actually cares, you know, how do you look or else, you know, like in Sri Lanka and Bali, it's like different. A lot of people like dress up like very fancy, you know, they try to look as cool as possible, like, you know, it's, I don't know, I don't like it. Like here it's more different. Here I can wear anything I want. Nobody will care. So I'm at this juice world because it's close to my place. So lassi here is 50, so that's about like 50 or 60 euro cents. In Sri Lanka it was like 3 euro, so 6 times the price. Maybe you can get it cheaper somewhere, but very hard to find. But of course lassi is Indian dish, like Indian drink. Omelette also, only plain, 25. I paid last time for plain omelette or with cheese. I paid like 3 euro. Here is 40. So I got beetroot juice, an omelette, chai, lassi for only 177. So that's less than 2 euro. So I'm at the airport. Like, they dropped me off here, but it's way better here. Yesterday was super crowded. I only paid 60 rupees. Like, oh my god, that's super cheap. Where can you find these prices? Like 25 minutes, 10 kilometers, maybe less, I don't know. But so good prices. That's what I missed in India, you know, when I was in Sri Lanka. Like, good food, a lot of food, like cheap transport, and also a lot of people are very friendly and they're not burning trash like everywhere. Like, I think in the villages they are, but in Sri Lanka, oh my lord, there was like trash burning every place. Yeah, so this is curd rice. It cost me 60. So this place is way on the back. It's more like, I think, international here, and there goes domestic. So the prices are very good if you want to eat cheaply, and the airport itself is gonna be expensive. I have a problem with my phone. SIM card manager keeps not responding. So it's S22. I don't know, there's a problem. I had it like before, but Yeah, without internet I can't like get a taxi, nothing. Well, I can, but it's gonna be more expensive and other problems without it. So I'm just sitting here, standing, like trying to fix my phone. Like nothing's happening. Like SIM card manager keeps crashing. It's so annoying. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so I just arrived at my Airbnb. Yeah, that SIM card kind of stressed me out. But you know, everywhere's like Wi-Fi and everybody can give you hotspots, so that's not the problem. The problem is, you know, I don't want to spend time here, like wasting my time. So what I did I deleted like the SIM card manager like data, and it deleted everything. Like if your card was registered, it deleted it. So I'm gonna try to go to a pawn shop and fix it. So yeah, and this is, by the way, my Airbnb. Kind of paying a lot. It's 1,300. Oh, but the bed is very nice. Oh yeah. It doesn't have a bad smell so far. Yeah, shower. It's okay. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm staying here for 2 days. Yeah, he did a bar. Looks very good so far. I was not expecting it, but it looks good. Like the highway was super nice, like in Bangkok or something. Hey, so I'm back in my room. So far, I kind of like this room. It's very nice. It has a fridge, kettle, a TV. So for 2 nights, like I said, it's 2,600, 1,300 per night. So that's 15 euro. Yeah, so I went to this phone shop. I don't know, phone repair shop, probably. Yeah. So the SIM that I have like is now out of service. I don't know why. Probably when I deleted some data, something else deleted, maybe from the SIM or from the tel. So I don't know, it's just not showing. So yeah, the problem also is I have a Lithuanian SIM, and I need to do like some accounting stuff, and I only can do it with the SIM. So that's very not good. So the guy tried the SIM cards in his phone and both were not working. So I don't know what happened, like so I don't know, I'll figure something out. It's not a big problem. Just, you know, probably could be I'll need a extra phone maybe if I won't fix it for like hotspot then, or maybe like just a hotspot SIM adapter or something, you know. Well, I'll see. Yeah, so today is March 17. I'm in Hyderabad. Like I said, I like the ride. It was very good. The roads are very good. Also, I saw some like skyscrapers that looked awesome. I like that also. I was like expecting 0 from Hyderabad, but it looks like a quite nice city. So yeah, so tomorrow I will wake up, or I'll go to Airtel. I'll try my luck. No, I'll survive. Yeah, so see you guys tomorrow.